Yeah, we back at it, man. We got that new RICHVON COUTURE in. You know what I mean? And we gonna show y'all what it is. You know what I mean? And here we go right here, y'all. Check this out. To this unboxing real quick. Open this bad boy up. You know, if y'all ain't got them Fear of Gods, go get them Fear of Gods too, man.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
You know, Fear of Gods and, you know, nice shoes and shit. You know, come shop at RICHVON COUTURE. You know, we try to keep custom clothing in and one-of-ones, one-of-fives. And that's what it is, man. That's how it's coming, man. The shipment is, you know, when you get to the point where you get this other shipment in there, and it's the plug, you know. This is how the plug drop it off, you know what I'm saying? Just like that, yo. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna show y'all. You know, ain't no sense of playing, man. This is what it is, you know. And let's get into it. So we got these joints right here. You know what I'm saying? With the logo on it. You know. So, you know. I told y'all I was gonna get back at y'all, man, with some news y'all can use and some clothes y'all can swag in, man. So here we go, and it's the second joints right here, man. The windbreaker joints. I think I'm liking these ones just on some right now type of thing, you know. So it's a couple of them joints in there too, man. So, you know, we do that like this, you know. We're gonna keep this shipment coming into the new RICHVON COUTURE, man. We stay working, man. This me, man. I stay working, man. Shout out to all my designers in Cincinnati, man. Black owned, lonesome, you know. It's a lot of them, man. I can't shout them out all, but hey, man, shout out to every clothing designer in Cincinnati, everybody that's trying to do some clothing. If you need somewhere to put your clothing, you know, we can sit down and talk about it. I'm trying to help everybody, sponsor everybody, support everybody. This is a movement, man. You know what I'm saying? Each one teach one. We gonna share the love, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't do this for the money, man. I do this for the people. So long as the people support me, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. You know, this all hard work, preparation, man. Hard work and preparation. That's all this is, yo. So let me get into these and open these up. Let me show y'all. Hold on for a second. Bear with me. So this joint. They coming with the tag. I mean, it's official, man. I see that. Look at that. Look at the tag. Ugh. Look at the bag, though. The bag's so official, man. Look, look. Oh my God, man. I'm just saying, man. Like, I'm just saying, man. I'm really getting to the nitty gritty with this. You dig? That's a 3X. I ain't gonna open that one up because I might want to put him on. I don't even like these so hard. I want to put one on right now. You know what I'm saying? You know, we even got this jumping on. Look, we even got the fucking recycle thing. You know, we got the recyclable bags, man. Keep it green. We trying to keep it green a little bit. You know, with the RICHVON COUTURE, man, we trying to keep it green. You know, but these are little windbreakers, man. These nice. These nice. Look, they got the one zipper. Oh my God, look at that. Ooh, oh look. Look, still got the plastic on it like this. Ain't this? You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Still got the plastic on it, man. Look at the bag. Look what you get, man. You know what I'm saying? Look what you get. What size is this joint? What size is this joint? Look what the netted inside. Come on, man. It's another 3X. I think I got a couple 3X. This is for my big guys, man. I know y'all been at me like, yo, bro, You ain't even been having no big size in. Y'all made me feel bad. So this time, you know, I stepped it up. I thought about y'all, you know, and it is what it is for the big guys. I got y'all, man. It's an extra large. I might put him to the side for me. Okay, now let's get into these right here. I ain't gonna even open these up because hanging these up will look tacky. Might hang like one or two up, but at the end of the day, these gotta be left in the bag, man. You gotta appreciate this when you open this up. I want it to be like, you know, special for you, just like it was special for me to open it up. So we're gonna put that back in there like that. Hold on. Give me a little minute. Stay with me. You know. Now we're gonna check out these Jones. Now let me see an XL in this, cause I might want to throw this one on. You know, who knows? It's kind of chilly tonight, man. You know, might get on the bike or something, man. You know, take a little ride, advertise a little bit. You know, you see me, oh, these nice now. These nice now. These nice now. I think I keep overdoing myself, man. I be surprising myself how good I am. That's a medium. You see? No, that's an XL. That's an XL. I might put him to the side, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull him out of here, man. Y'all can see how this out. That's how we doing it, man. The Black Lives Matter joints, man. Look at them, man. Yo, you just fucking stupid, son.